Hello there. Today I want to introduce you to Virtual Maker, which is a new way we developed to make interactive 3D and VR scenes in your browser. Have you ever wanted to make a 3D experience like a game, VR training, showcase, or tour, but don't know how? At Virtual Maker, we simplify and streamline the whole process of creating and distributing a 3D experience so you can focus your time on expressing your creativity and not fighting with the tools. What makes Virtual Maker special is that it gives you instant access to a library of built-in behaviors and assets that you can use to create beautiful interactive scenes with little to no code. Then, Virtual Maker takes advantage of web technology to let you share your creation with users on many different devices, including phones, tablets, desktops, and virtual reality headsets, without you having to do any extra work. That's a lot, so let's break it down. Head over to virtualmaker.net to launch the editor and start building a project right away. No installation needed. Each project is composed of one or more scenes. Start designing a scene by selecting from one of our pre-built environments and backgrounds. If you don't like any of these options, choose the ground or empty environment and start designing your scene from scratch. Position each block, model, and light just the way you want it. Virtual Maker also supports 360 photo backgrounds, letting you create a custom backdrop or build a virtual tour. Virtual Maker is also integrated with Sketchfab, which gives you free access to millions of models that you can search through and drop right into your project. Learn more about how this works in our Sketchfab integration video. On top of 3D models, you can add images, text, sound effects, and music to flesh out your scene. Drop some waypoints that users can click on to move from place to place. Once you've got everything in place, it's time to make it interactive. Virtual Maker supports built-in interactions for clicking and grabbing objects. You can handle these interactions by assigning actions, such as starting and stopping animations, playing sounds, showing and hiding objects, or navigating from scene to scene. Use the built-in animations to make your scene more dynamic. Make a globe spin or make a text fly into view. If you really want to make things dynamic, enable physics. Let your users throw around objects and bounce them against the environment. A little bit of chaos never hurt anybody. Everything you've seen up to now can be done without writing a single line of code. But if you want to add even more complex logic and effects, you can use our JavaScript API and write scripts, which will take your project to the next level. That's a lot of options, so you might be worried about getting lost. Fortunately, we spend a lot of time writing detailed documentation and tutorials and providing hints in the editor. You can also join our Discord server and ask us your questions directly. Once your scene is finished, hit the Publish button to get a link that you can share with your users. We know that sending a link can be difficult on some devices, so each project also has a unique code that you can share instead. Users can then view your project on any device from phone to tablet to desktop to virtual reality headset. Virtual Maker automatically adapts its rendering and input strategy to give each user an optimal experience, no matter which device they choose to use. That's it for this video. If I've managed to pique your interest, check out our Getting Started video to learn how to build this cool Picasso art gallery from scratch. Also, be sure to leave your cool project ideas in the comments. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.